Ready to unlock a universe of movies, TV shows, and live content directly on your Samsung Smart TV. Today, we're diving into how to get Apollo TV up and running for seamless streaming. First things first, grab your Samsung Smart TV remote. Press the home button, usually indicated by a house-shaped icon, to access the main menu. Navigate through the home screen until you find the apps icon. It might be labeled Apps or Samsung Apps. Select it using the center button on your remote. You're now in the Samsung App Store. Look for the search icon, often a magnifying glass, and click on it. Type Apollo TV using the on-screen keyboard. Scroll through the search results until you locate the Apollo TV app. Ensure it's the official app. Look for the correct logo and developer name to avoid downloading a fake app. Select the Apollo TV app. On the apps page, you'll see an install button. Click on it to begin the download and installation process. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you can either open the app directly from the App Store or find it on your TV's home screen. Launch the Apollo TV app. You may be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. And that's it. You're now ready to start enjoying a vast library of movies, TV shows, and live content on your Samsung Smart TV with Apollo TV. Happy streaming!